Well. I think we all know what time it is. We got some imported good stuff. Imported. And that used to mean like fancy. I think now it means, whatever. Anyway, I think we know what we need this for. Oh, yeah. Don't hurt yourself. Woo! All right, let's open this thing up. I know, I just kind of cut it back together, put it back together for you so we can have a nice unboxing. All right, let's see. See if we can do this on camera. It's tougher on camera, guys. Boom. All right. Ah! It opened itself. Imagine that. What do we have? What do we have here? Let's take this. Got some fancy, foam. What is in there? More foam. I know you like that kind. Let's see what we got. Let's get it out of the box. Let's hang on a second. What is it? What is it? I do believe it is a plasma cutter, maybe? I don't know, supercharger? I don't know. Maybe. Got another box to open. What does it say? Plasma torch. All the connectors and all the good stuff. Let's get this plastic off of this thing. Alright guys, so we got it all out of the plastic now. This is the first time opening. I hadn't even opened this yet. Just opened the top of the box, see what it was. Anyway, this is going to be, of course, 220. So it's going to be a 50 amp, 45 amp, whatever you want to call it, machine. So, and it also has the adapter to go to 110, which, cut you some small stuff. It's always going to work better on 220, just the way plasma cutters work. More power, of course, the better. Cleaner cuts, all that good stuff. But for me, what I'm doing here in the hobby, hobby type deal, this is really nice. Of course, it does have some, adjustments here, which is nice. It has the air pressure regulator right here on the front, which a lot of them have it on the back. I think this is much better. You can actually do everything from the front, basically, instead of having to, go back and forth. Of course, it automatically can tell if you're on 110, 220. Of course, overheating, it's only got not a crazy duty cycle on this, I'm sure. But, for what we're doing, it's perfect. It's not a $1,000, $2,000 machine. You're talking, less than 200 bucks. So can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. But anyway, let's get this thing all hooked up. I know it comes with some stuff we won't use, but overall, not too bad. For the money, this is going to be a killer setup for me. So let's get it hooked up. All right, guys. So let's see what we got here. Got it all out of the bag and all that. So this is IGBT plasma cutter. I know what you're thinking, but we're not going there. Anyway, hand manual, whatever. We ain't using that. We ain't using that. Here's the cutter head, plasma cutter head. It does have a little safety deal on there, try to keep you from killing yourself, I guess. But this does take normal, consumables, so that's good. It's not a primer, like some of the Harbor Freight deal. You have to use, whatever. Anyway, uses normal stuff you can get, so that's good. Cheap consumables, which is good, because, we'll probably go through some of that. Anyway, got that, got this. Of course, it does have the controller head there. It does have a decent ground strap or ground deal, for that. So that is all good. So just got to put her together, get her to use, probably use it on the truck for a couple little things, try not to cut anything, honestly, if we can help it. But, certain projects definitely could be very useful. So let's see you in the next time, okay? Let's go.